The Samsung Galaxy A35, despite its appealing features such as a 120Hz Super AMOLED display and a 50MP main camera, has several shortcomings that potential buyers should carefully consider. One of the most significant issues is its performance. Powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset, the device has been reported to struggle with overheating and sluggish performance during everyday tasks. These performance hiccups can lead to frustration, especially for users who demand consistent and reliable operation from their smartphones. This is compounded by concerns about battery life. While the phone houses a 5000 mAh battery, users have noted rapid battery depletion even with moderate usage, making it less reliable for those who depend on their phones throughout the day without frequent recharging. Another area where the Galaxy A35 falls short is in its software stability. Numerous users have reported recurring glitches, including applications crashing unexpectedly, the screen becoming unresponsive, and occasional freezing of the device. Such issues can disrupt productivity and necessitate time-consuming troubleshooting or waiting for software updates to address these problems. The camera system, while boasting a 50MP main lens, performs inconsistently. It fares reasonably well in well-lit conditions but struggles in low-light environments, resulting in grainy or blurry images. The ultra-wide and macro lenses, which add versatility to the camera setup on paper, deliver subpar results compared to what competitors in the same price range offer. Charging speed is another drawback of the Galaxy A35. While it supports 25W fast charging, this is slower than many of its rivals, which now offer faster charging capabilities for quicker power top-ups. This slower charging speed can be an inconvenience for users with busy schedules who need their devices to recharge swiftly. In terms of design and build quality, the Galaxy A35 features a plastic frame and back, which, while durable, lack the premium feel and appearance of metal or glass finishes found in competing models. This design choice may leave users underwhelmed, particularly those seeking a more luxurious look and feel in their smartphones. Given these issues, ranging from performance and software stability to battery reliability, camera shortcomings, and design compromises, it's worth exploring other smartphones in the same price range. Many alternatives provide better overall performance, durability, and features, ensuring a more satisfying experience and greater long-term value. For anyone considering the Galaxy A35, it's crucial to weigh these factors against the competition before making a purchase decision.